Oh, easy ball. Okay, that's the video. Let me put the.
Live lang yung campaign.
No, I'm here.
Eh?
I'm freezing. Like, wait. Like, listen. Is the way you're doing it for me, or like, what is it?
Gade video ano?
I'm trying, mas daí mas eu consigo mas pouco mesmo que gade video, um pouco já que gade. But I'll get to back. I have to say that you were so cute in that video, like.
Thank
Boom.
you. Ki tout bagay, malgré ki tout bagay.
Like, you know, like what I'm talking about right now, because like I said, Mboko jumping got a video. So
Okay.
that's what I'm trying to do right now.
Well, go enjoy it with your fans.
Hey, you don't have to. Oh, je suis pas obligé de tourner avec ça encore. Why?
Eh ben, o directeur.
No, like for real. You're pas obligé de tourner avec. Like, ça c'est vous capchez là. Damn it. Okay. Anyways. But I don't know why you're not obliged to not available for real. Like, okay, listen. You see, like you cute, and then after that, like, and then they just like boom, you know, okay, you're doing some other. Yeah, what is this thing that you like? You shaking your ass like, yeah. It's like. Oh my god. Okay. Fine. And yo.